My name is Rachel Mazzatesta, and I'd like to take a few moments to share a socially savvy story with you. We started in 2013, focused on supporting service members and their families with the differentiator as they were transitioning to civilian careers. Our relationship with the United States Geospatial Intelligence Foundation encouraged us to create a curriculum and professional development program, which was credentialed internationally and delivered at symposiums. We then took what we had created and expanded into corporate and academic concerns. We engaged member organizations, specifically the National Forum for Black Public Administrators, which led us to partnerships, training state bar associations and government entities. We're humbled to work with leading organizations across multiple sectors, including Boston Public Schools, the NFBPA, InterSystems, and municipalities like Missouri City, Texas. The challenges presented by a remote work environment have underlined the importance of our social business professional development and training program. In response to the challenges of COVID, Socially Savvy has pivoted to create a 21st century outplacement program. The social business competency, knowledge, and skills provided by the program improves job search effectiveness, career and professional readiness, and employment outcomes. If you'd like to learn more, see a demo, or discuss your particular needs, please reach out to me through LinkedIn or our website, sociallysavvy.com. Thank you for your time and hope to partner with you soon.